Hello students, let's do a question from CAET 2025. A survey is taken after the candidates have written an admission test to find whether the test was easy E or difficult D. Assume that there is equal probability for the response from each candidate to be E or D. Then the minimum number of candidates required to participate in the survey so that the probability of getting at least one E is at least 0.9 is equal to हमें फाइंड करना है we have to find minimum number of candidates. Right, which is, let's say, n, and they all have given an exam, and that exam can be easy or difficult, and each candidate can choose it with equally likely chances. So I would say probability of exam being easy would be half, and probability of exam being difficult will also be half. Now we have to find the minimum number of candidates required to participate in the survey so that the probability of getting at least one E is at least 0.9 is equal to, which means let the event E1 be at least one candidate marks E, which means easy. So P of E1 will be equal to 1 minus P E1 complement, which means no candidate marks easy, right? So P of E1 complement would be, let there be n candidates and each of them mark it difficult. So marking difficult first candidate, marking difficult second candidate, marking difficult third candidate up to n times because there are n candidates. So probability of everyone marking it difficult is half power n. So the probability of at least one candidate's marking it easy to be at least 0.9, then it should be 1 minus 1 by 2 power n, that at least one candidate marks it as easy. This should be at least 0.9. So this is the equation. 1 minus half power n should be more than or equal to 0.9. 1 minus half power n means at least one candidate marks the exam easy. So let's solve this. So 1 minus half power n is more than or equal to 0.9, or 1 minus 0.9 is more than or equal to 1 by 2 power n, which is 0.1 more than or equal to 0.5 power n. Let's say, let's keep it half only. So it will be 1 by 10 is more than or equal to 1 by 2 power n, or in cross multiplication 2 power n should be more than or equal to 10. Now I have to find the value of n, the least value of n for which 2 power n is more than or equal to 10. For n is equal to 3, it will be 8. 8 is not more than or equal to 10, so n is wrong answer. N is equal to 4, or 4 would be 16 more than or equal to 10, so n is equal to 4.